Welcome one, welcome all. I am Mark Paulda, a professional photographer. I have been in the photography business for well over 20 years. I want to help you succeed so you can earn money with your camera. With every episode, I will offer you sound advice so you can be part of the 15% of aspiring photographers who succeed. If you are looking for help to turn your passion for photography into a successful business, you have come to the right place. I have got the answers. My weekly episodes will help you understand how to market yourself, how to build a profitable business, and best business practices. No more feeling lost. You do not have to go it alone. Join my audio podcast and start taking my advice on turning your hobby into a profitable business. You will get access to a professional photographer and the best practices that I have learned and experienced over the years. If you have questions along the way, definitely email me. mark@markpaulda.com. You are also invited to join my photography success text community. Send me a text. 915-226-0959. If you are outside the United States, be sure to include +1, the United States country code. Let's get started. Effective storytelling in photography. Let's get started. Do I have time to reflect on the storytelling aspect of this shot? Yes. Examine the scene. Determine as specifically as possible the story that you wish to tell with this image. No. Shoot your picture, and then move to the next step. Attempt a second shot with a story. What camera position will best convey your story? Explore. Raise the camera position. Lower the camera position. Examine the scene from all possible sides and angles. Pick the camera position. What lens should you use? Ask yourself, can you change your lens? Yes. Consider these possibilities. Compressing the scene, telephoto. Expanding the scene, wide angle. Normal field of view. Depth of field. Including or excluding background elements. No. Re-evaluate the camera position, and then move to the next step. What camera settings should you use? ISO. Is your story better told with a super crisp image, or with some noise? Shutter speed. Is your story better told with some blur, or should it be tack sharp? Aperture. You have already considered depth of field. How does your choice of aperture affect the shutter speed and ISO options? Color balance. Could a color balance adjustment enhance your story? What composition considerations can you employ? Ask yourself the following questions when you capture storytelling images. 1. Have you directed the viewer's eyes right toward your subject? 2. Is the subject placement within the frame the best it can be? 3. Can you make use of leading lines, frames, or contrast to further highlight your subject? 4. Is the story surrounding your subject clear and concise? 5. Is the story surrounding your subject simple, so that the vast majority of viewers will understand your story? 6. Do you have storytelling concepts in your image? 7. Does my shot include a dramatic element? Am I addressing one of the storytelling needs of humanity? 1. Entertainment. 2. Explain the physical world. 3. Belief in a higher power or supernatural forces. 4. Communicate an experience. 5. Fulfill an aesthetic need for beauty, regularity, and self-expression. 6. Record history. 7. How can I use post-production to enhance my story? 8. Have I employed localized selective focus? 9. Does increasing or decreasing color saturation help reveal my story? 10. Could I crop my image to better place my subject for the story? 11. Does the contrast in my image support my subject, composition, and story? 12. Could advanced photo editing such as grunge effects or compositing increase the story value of my shot? Have all of decisions above produced the simplest story possible? Yes. You rock. No. Don't worry. Start over. Try and try again. That's the beauty of photography. A genuine thank you for joining me today for this episode. If you are serious about success in the photography business, then I am serious and ready to help. Visit markpaulda.com and discover a variety of ways I can help you in your journey. If you have questions along the way, definitely email me. mark@markpaulda.com. You are also invited to join my photography success text community. Send me a text. 915-226-0959. If you are outside the United States, be sure to include +1, the United States country code. I will catch you in the next episode.